Our next guest is revealing how prepping vegetables at the beginning of the week can give you an array of delicious meals all week long.
Today, I'm so excited to show you what I call the power of prep hack. It's literally as simple as prepping out 2 pounds of roasted vegetables that you can easily turn into different delicious meals throughout the week. I have a rainbow of different vegetables here that I picked up from the farmer's market. Try to make your meals as colorful as possible so that you can get a wide variety of vitamins and nutrients. And here I have some avocado that I'm going to use to create a couple other meals from the roasted veggies. Avocado is loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids. Since some of the nutrients in these other vegetables are fat-soluble, eating them with avocado can dramatically increase the antioxidant absorption and nutrient value of these other plant foods. So while your first tray is in the oven, you're going to start on your second tray. Bell peppers, broccoli. Broccoli contains high levels of a powerful phytochemical called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane neutralizes toxins and helps to calm inflammation in the body. And your beautiful red cabbage. A little bit of freshly ground black pepper, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, avocado oil, toss them together. See how beautiful they are? Both trays should be ready to go in about 15 to 20 minutes. So using the roasted beets from your roasted veggies, you can make a beet hummus, one of my favorite things. The combination of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants in beets supports the body acting as a liver detoxifier. Some chickpeas or garbanzo beans, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of the liquid from the garbanzo beans, tahini, and roasted garlic, and salt, and pepper. Blend it up. And it makes a perfect snack or a side to any of your other meals.
So what do you think, Judy?
Well, Dr. O, those are such great tips because honestly, cutting up the vegetables is the bane of my existence right now. And sometimes you just get so tired, don't even want to cut them up. So if you prep early, then maybe it'll encourage me to eat a little bit more vegetables. I think I really do need to do that.
I think these are great tips, and make prepping your food part of the journey. Make it fun. I like it. The global pandemic has changed our lives.
We've been through so much.
As vaccines roll out, there is hope for you and hope for the future.
I'm finally going to get my vaccine.
Through these challenging and historical times, the doctors have been by your side. This is why we went to medical school.
This is why we're here.
All May will give you the inside track on health and wellness.
Today I've been granted exclusive access to get a behind-the-scenes look at COVID contraband.
So you can get back to the life you deserve.
We hope that today we inspired you all to be better because we will get through this.
It's time to take your power back. It is getting better. There is hope.
Love it.
I think I can. I can get there.
You betcha.
Absolutely.
The doctor is now more than ever.